Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the internal error occurred issue in Google AI Studio. All right, let's begin. One of the first things you should try is adjusting your prompt. In many cases, this error appears because Google AI Studio misunderstands the request or tries to generate something unsupported. For example, if you ask it to generate SQL code, it may try to create a downloadable file instead of displaying plain text code. That can sometimes trigger the internal error message. A better approach is to rewrite the prompt clearly and specify exactly what output format you want. Instead of asking for a file, ask the AI to provide raw text only. Once you make the prompt more specific, Google AI Studio often works correctly again and generates the output without errors. Another common cause of this issue is an unstable internet connection. Google AI Studio depends heavily on a stable connection because all requests are processed online. If your internet connection keeps dropping or your ping spikes randomly, the platform may fail to complete requests properly. To test this, open Google and search for an internet ping test. Use any trusted website to monitor your ping and connection stability. If your ping constantly jumps to very high numbers or you notice packet loss, that means your connection is unstable. Restarting your router, reconnecting to Wi-Fi, or switching to another network can often solve the problem immediately. The next thing you should check is the Google AI Studio server status. Sometimes the problem is not on your side at all. Google servers occasionally experience outages, overloads, or temporary disruptions. When this happens, users may see internal errors even if everything on their device is configured correctly. Search for the official Google AI Studio status page and check whether there are any reported outages. If the status shows a full outage or partial outage, the only solution is usually to wait until Google fixes the issue. If all services are marked green and operational, then the error is likely caused by something else on your device or account. Another very effective fix is switching to a different AI model. Certain models may become overloaded, unavailable, or rate limited. If you exceed the allowed requests for a model, Google AI Studio may start showing internal errors instead of processing prompts normally. To check this, go to the main dashboard in Google AI Studio and open the API Keys section. From there, select the rate limits page. You will see limits for requests per minute, tokens per minute, and requests per day. If any of those limits are highlighted or exceeded, that model may temporarily stop working for your account. In that case, switch to another available model. For example, if one Gemini model has reached its request limit, try another version like Gemini Flash Preview or a different supported model. Many users fix the internal error instantly just by changing the active model. If needed, you can also upgrade your billing plan to increase the allowed limits and avoid future restrictions. Another method that works surprisingly well is refreshing your browser session. Sometimes your Google AI Studio session expires or becomes corrupted in the background. When that happens, requests may fail, even though the platform itself is working correctly. The easiest way to test this is by opening Google AI Studio in incognito mode. In Chrome, open an incognito window. In Microsoft Edge, use in private mode. Then sign into your Google account again and test the same prompt. If Google AI Studio works correctly in incognito mode, the issue is most likely related to your browser cache, cookies, or extensions. If incognito mode fixes the issue, you should clear your browser cache and cookies manually. Open your browser settings, go to privacy settings, and clear cached images, files, and cookies. Keep in mind, this will sign you out of most websites, so you will need to log in again afterward. Once the cache is cleared, restart the browser and try Google AI Studio again. In many cases, this completely removes the internal error problem. Browser extensions can also interfere with Google AI Studio. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and security extensions sometimes prevent parts of the website from loading correctly. If you use an ad blocker, temporarily disable it and reload the page. After disabling extensions, test the same prompt again. If the issue disappears, one of the extensions was causing the conflict. You should also try using a different browser entirely. If you normally use Microsoft Edge, switch to Chrome, Firefox, or another browser. Browser compatibility issues can sometimes cause unexpected errors with AI tools. Testing another browser is a quick way to determine whether the problem is browser specific. Another useful solution is creating a brand new project or app inside Google AI Studio. Sometimes older projects become corrupted or contain broken configurations that continue triggering errors repeatedly. Instead of remixing or duplicating the old app, create a completely fresh project from scratch. Describe your idea again, rebuild the prompt, and test it in the new environment. Many users report that a clean project works properly, even when the old one constantly fails with internal errors. So that's basically how you can fix the internal error occurred issue in Google AI Studio. That's it for this video. Thanks.